Good morning and welcome to the Daily No Nonsense Crypto Minutes. Today we want to talk about Kraken and Kraken's notorious flash crashes. So Kraken is an exchange site where you can buy, sell, trade cryptocurrency. It's even one of the few sites where you can still, for Americans, where they can still trade with margin. So here's Dot. With that recent sell-off that we've had, you had Dot was actually dropped from the top from the day it started selling. You had a 70% drop, and if you were able to catch that bottom, you're talking about from where the current price down 158% gain. Now, if we looked at, let's say, Dot on Binance on the USDT pair, that same particular coin Dot only dropped 33% on Binance. Or if you look at Ethereum, let's look at Ethereum on Binance or on anything really, on Ethereum, on let's see if I can find it real quick. Ethereum, USDT. You had a payment. I'm sorry, you had a drop of like 30%. But if we look on Kraken, you look up Ethereum, USD. You had a drop of 64%. And that bounce right now is still you'd be over 150%. The last one I just want to kind of show is it'd be 122%. And then you had ADA. If you looked at ADA, let's say on Binance, and you looked at the USDT pair, ADA had a drop of, let's say, if we just go from here, 27%. But if I look on Kraken, look at ADA, the USDT pair, you had a drop of 551. I'm sorry, that's the come up. But as far as on the drop from the top, you would have had that's a 86% drop to get a bounce of where the current price of 522%. So that's within an hour tops. But the thing about it is you have to already have your limit orders set on the books, and it only happens during times of high volatility when there's a lot of sell pressure. You may have people are dumping, or just Bitcoin's dumping, and so people are trading with margin, or just a lot of people have their stops all in the same place. So when there's a lot of sell pressure, and on a thin order book, the stops are kicking in, but they're trying to sell wherever they can sell, so that could just force, especially with popular markets like Dot, ADA, Ethereum is all pretty popular markets right now. So all that sell pressure is just filling the orders where it can. So if you have your limit orders are set down here, one of the strategies is to try to do a fib retracement, and sweet spot is this between this area here. But on altcoins, it could even go down further. But how would you even have caught to know? Who would have thought it would come all the way down here? Well, you can see this is an area of resistance. Area of support here. A lot of consolidation support here, so you could have put them there. But the only thing, when you put these limit orders, you don't know exactly when they're going to come, so you kind of have to just be patient. And maybe you're allocating 2 to 5% of your portfolio of your trading capital for this particular strategy, and you have to be patient. Patient wins the game. But if let's say if you just had it here, not even to even consider that it would go here, but you just had your orders here, and you were able to catch 180% gain just off of having limit orders on the books. Now, in the heat of the moment, a lot of times you can't even log into Kraken. Kraken's down. So you have to have these orders pre-planned. But this is a good strategy that you could allocate a small percentage of your trading capital to this particular strategy, and could be successful using Kraken just for this, if this is all you want to use Kraken for. So, I just wanted to share this information. Also, even with this, you'll have these flash crashes. You also have flash spikes on Kraken as well, so you can set your orders higher than normal. And if it's a very popular coin, like for instance, one of the strategies I'm playing right now is I have some Dot in my portfolio, and currently Dot isn't on Coinbase, but I hypothesize that when Dot gets listed on Coinbase, there's going to be a lot of FOMO to get in, and the price will spike up because everybody's trying to buy Dot, or buy Dot to send it to Coinbase. A lot of times Coinbase price may go up high. So with a thin order book, if you have your orders already placed up high, limit sell orders up high, then you can get sold into and get a quick, just like you had quick gains here, you can get quick gains on that side. So those are different ways you can play flash crashes and flash spikes on Kraken. And this is one of the only exchanges that kind of just happens. It used to happen a lot way back in the early days of crypto when there was a lot less liquidity, but for whatever reason, it just still continues to happen on Kraken. So if you like this video, give us a like, subscribe, share. If you got questions or anything you want us to go over, please send to info@thecryptocraft.com. Have a great day.